What's the meaning of curling? Curling. Curling.
Curling. Curling. Curling is a sport in which players slide stones on a sheet of ice towards a target area. The objective is to place the stones as close as possible to the center of the target circle, while also strategically placing them to block opponents' stones. The team with the stone closest to the center at the end of the game wins. Curling requires precision, skill, and teamwork, as players must communicate and make strategic decisions throughout the game. Overall, it's a unique and fascinating sport that requires both physical and mental abilities.